It is transplant time. Most of our garden beds should be ready for our vegetables. Tom is in the garden showing you just how easy it is.
Welcome back, Northern Michigan. It's that time, transplant time. Justin Morgan's here, and we're talking about transplanting our plants. Now, Justin, looking at the bed here, I know it has to be organized a certain way. We have tomatoes, peppers, etc. How do we set that up?
So we want to do a companion plant as best as possible.
Okay.
To be able to take the taller plants and put them beside each other, and then leave the smaller stuff like the lettuce at the end so we can get adequate sun.
So we have tomatoes at the far left end here, and then gradually get down a little bit to the lowest level of lettuce.
Yeah, sun is important for some of these beds and a lot of the vegetables. They take a lot of sun.
Oh, and it's not that hard to transplant, right? We just take them out and dig them in?
No, so we got all the work done from the last time. We did the topsoil blend on the bottom, and then come in with the Pro Vegetable 301, the organic Pro Vegetable 301 on top. And now all we got to do is take them out of the plants, put them in, and water them in well.
Now you need to cut off these a little bit or spread them out a little bit?
Yep, you want to break them into parts, help so they can get the nutrient they need.
It's already pretty soaking wet, which is great, but just cut it up a little bit and plant them in, right?
That's right. And you just got to water it in well. Make sure it gets plenty of moisture on there. And then when you do water in, make sure you dig down a little bit where the water is going to go so it's nice and moist underneath.
So all we do now is just do the rest of it all the way down, correct?
That's right.
So Justin, all our plants are set for now, right? They're transplanted.
Yep, they're transplanted. Water them in well. You can see it's a little dry. Make sure enough water in there. We're going to go over to the other bed, and put the seeds in there to show you how to do seeds in a raised bed.
All right, that sounds good. Let's go. Well, it is seed time, and we got broccoli, we have carrots, and we're looking at lettuce to grow, and right now we're looking at behind it. What do we do? How do we put it in the bed? And Justin says planting depth a 1/4 inch. We know there's 301 in here, but we're planting from seeds down.
Yeah, so what I'd like to do whenever I plant seeds in a raised bed like this, get some of the organic Seed Start 101,
okay,
and then you make a trough here, and all you do is we could see some of the seed starter we put in there already. So what we want to do is real easy. All you do is just fill that up with some Seed Starter 101,
okay,
and put it in there. And then what you do with the seeds is just help sprinkle those seeds in there like you naturally would. It's very challenging to get them in there thin enough.
Yeah, it is.
You'll thin, but as you put them in there, you can do that. This one's already ready, so we'll put them in like so, and then grab some 101, some Seed Starter 101, fill it up.
So now we got this on, Justin, what do we have to do?
So we're gonna put the seed in there. We'll let that naturally grow into that organic Pro Vegetable 301.
Okay.
And that'll help them roots naturally go into that the way Mother Nature really intended to take off on a good start for the plant.
And all I have to do now is wait till they start growing, thin them out so they don't overtake others, and that's about it.
Yeah, we're ready to go. Keep water well.
All right, excellent. So vegetables are ready to go. Coming up next is gonna be some of our flowers, and of course next week is more about gardening out there in the lawn and taking care of your lawn. Those details are coming up next week.